4 reasons do-it-yourself landlords hate their rentals. Hi, I'm Nate, with Keyrenter Property Management. There are a lot of frustrations do-it-yourself landlords have with their rentals, and we can name a long list. But I'll sum up the 4 most common, which we call the 4 T's. Time, training, tenants, and toilets. Let's break these down a bit more. First, time. Do-it-yourself landlords get frustrated that their tenants call while they are at work, out of the movies, on vacation, or late nights. It's even worse when they are trying to lease out the property and they have to take endless calls from prospective tenants, show the property, negotiate the lease, coordinate repairs, go inspect the property, handle lease violations, keep an accounting of expenses and income, and try to keep tenants happy through all of that. Fact is, good property management takes a lot of time, which most do-it-yourself landlords don't have. Second, they don't have the training. They're not familiar with local rental rates and trends, updated legislation and laws for housing requirements, leasing and retention strategies, and how to handle a tenant who stops paying rent or does damage to the property or even ticks off the neighbors. Because of this, they make a ton of mistakes and they lose a ton of money, sometimes even without knowing it. And third, they don't know how or don't want to deal with tenants. It can be tough to maintain a raving fan as a tenant and also enforce the lease at the same time. There are going to be tough situations, and many owners, frankly, are just terrible at not allowing their emotions to get in the way of making good decisions. And finally, fourth, they don't want to deal with toilets or repairs, and they don't have the connections and time to vet qualified, licensed, and insured handyman or contractors to do the work properly. And if they do, they don't have the volume to negotiate lower rates. If you're in this situation as a DIY landlord and you simply want to avoid these problems, let us be the landlord so you can be the investor and spend your time doing what you do best. It's not for everyone, but it might be for you. Feel free to explore if property management is a good fit by scheduling a free discovery call with our team through our website at keyrentersaltlake.com. We look forward to talking with you. Thanks and take care.